Now we are going to start discussing 2026 January PO Mathematics P2 paper. Okay, let's quickly move to the first question. The first question is on binomial expansion. So in the binomial expansion, there is a pattern. So they are asking us the first 4 terms in the ascending powers of x. Okay, since the x is this term, so second term, what we can do is I'm gonna take this expression here. Every time my first term, which I'll be representing as a, and my second term, which I'm expressing as b, and this 7, which is the power which I'm representing as n, and I will take r as the term wide. So when you're gonna get the n and r, then what it would give is, once you have the n and r, it's a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. That is our common equation on the binomial expansion. So let's not go in there in detail, but let's try to focus this in a simpler way. So according to the values that we have, so okay, now I'm going to get my numbers. So the term 1 is the one which is the first term. Since it's ascending powers of x, so we have to get the term where the x power is the lowest, which is 0. R has to be 0. R has to be 0. When the R is 0, how is it coming is, this would be 7, 0. The first term to the power 7 and the kx to the power 0. That is our first term. We know this 7 and this 0 packets. Okay, I will show you how to calculate into one thing, but the remaining you can manage it with the calculator. 7 and 0. What does mean is, you have to get the 7 factorial, you divide by the difference, and this one, so this is 0 factorial and 7 minus 0 factorial. So if I go with a number, just to make things a little bit more clean, I guess, if there is 5 and a 1, what it would be, 5 factorial, then 1 factorial, and 5 minus 1 factorial, which is 5 factorial and a 1 factorial and a 4 factorial. This is the meaning of that. So you can calculate it by the calculator. So in this one, so in these questions, what we have to make sure is, we have to do the questions quickly. So we have to make sure whatever calculations we can do with the calculator, we have to do it with that, or else we have to show where the steps are necessary. So here, since the k to the power x, this whole thing will become 1. So we will have this also will become 7 and a 0 thing. What it would come is 7 and a 0, it would be 1 times 3 to the power 7 times 1. So the first answer would be 2187. This is the term 1. Okay, now let's move to the term 2. Term 2, what we have is, for the term 2, R would be 1. So it's 7, 1, 3 to the power 6, then kx to the power 1. Now you can see this is getting reduced, this is getting added. This is the term 2. So how does this will come is, this will give you 7 times, this will give you 729 times kx. If you further simplify, it's going to be 5103kx. This is my second term. So I'm going to highlight the terms. This is my first term and this is my second term. Okay. Now similarly, since there are enough space, I'm going to go here. When we did the first term and the second term, that we have to find the third term now. How does it come is, let me quickly write it. It will be 7 and a 2. Then the first term, initially what we had was 6. Now we have 5. Other term would be, you have k to the power x 1. So now it would be kx to the power 2. So what it would give us is 21 times 243 times k squared x squared. So it should be 5103 k squared x squared. So this is my third term. Okay, let's move to my fourth term. Term 4, which is the last term. It will be 7, 3 to the power. Now since it's 5, now it will become 4, and kx, here it was 2, so now it would become 3. What you would take is, it's 35 times 81 times k to the power 3 x to the power 3. So what I would have is 2835 k to the power 3 and x to the power 3. Okay, so if I see what are my all 4 terms are, this, and these 2. So these are the terms that we have for the values. So the final answers are, it's 2187. Give them the each term now. This thing, and then you have 103kx, 5103k squared x squared, 2835 k to the power 3 x to the power 3. So these are my first 4 terms. Yeah, thank you. So let's go to question number B now. Now what they have said. Now they ask us to find the 4 terms and which we found. And then they are saying, given that in this expression, the coefficient of x squared is 3 times the coefficient of x to the power 3. Yeah, what does that mean? Coefficient of x squared is 3 times the coefficient of cubic expression. So, what was our x squared term? In my expression, my x squared term was this, which was 5103k squared x squared, which was T3. Sorry, T2, and the T, this is the 3 power 1, that is the last term. So, which is 2835 k to the power 3 x to the power 3. So, given that k is a constant, which is a non-zero, what will be the coefficient? So, we know coefficient is what is in front of the variable. So, this is the coefficient. So, we can say coefficient of x squared is 3 times the coefficient of this. Okay, so if you write it mathematically as a relationship, we write it like, mathematical way of the relationship, we can take an equation. So 5103k squared will be equals to 3 times 2835k to the power 3. Okay, now let's take everything into a single side. So when we simplify, we know 8505 k to the power 3 minus, this is what that we're going to get. We know we can take, let me quickly erase the jump from previous question. So once we have it, we know this will be equals to 0 because I took it the other side. If I get the k squared outside, what I would have is 8505k minus 5103 will be 0. We know the k squared can never be, k squared is there, so that's not going to be 0. This is, since it's a square term, this is k squared term is not 0. So what we can say is, we can say, okay, if the product is multiplication, then this has to be 0. Since it is 0, what we can do is our k would be 5103 divided by 8505. So what it would give you is 3 over 5, which is 0.6. This is my k value. So what we did was, we found with the given expansion what was the coefficient of x squared and what is the relationship, and we found the value of k. So that's how we do the calculation for these questions. Thank you.